Real quick tutorial to get you logged in and off kicking your own posts. What's going to happen here is you want to click login, bring it to this nice little login page. You'll type in your username and password and click login. If you get your information, you can lost your password, it'll reset to the email that we put in there. So let's put in login. Awesome. Still working on this. I'm going to have the video in there, but this is the main page that you see. The first thing you're going to want to do is click edit profile. Want to edit your profile. So here's the email spot that you want to definitely change out, as well as maybe username, different stuff, as well as your password. You can type in 2 times in this area here, and then click update profile. So that'll be it there, profile. Same thing over here, this posts. I'm going to make this as easy as possible. This is going to be a list of your posts. You can create it, add new. When you do that, this will be your title. So this is my title. I'm going to jump down to this area here, but first I'm going to switch over to text. I'm going to show you why. I put my cursor in this box here, click add media. I can pick files that are already on the server, or I can upload files. And if I upload files, it's obviously going to pick files from my desktop. I can navigate around in here. Alright, to select multiple, it's control and the selecting. See how I'm selecting multiples. If I want to control and select some more, I can unselect them. I'm going to control select a couple of them, 3. Click open. I can see it's opening these here. I want to make sure that these are in full size, so I'll select each one. Just make sure they're in full size over here on the right. And then after that, I'll insert in a post. So I've inserted 3 images, and what it's done is put a blank line in between these. In between that blank line, I want to use one single code. This is the only code you'll ever need. Next page. So we take that next page code, copy it in between for the blank spaces. I pick a couple categories over here, whatever it falls in, celebrities, fashion, and maybe life. And then I click publish. Well, that's pretty much it. So this is my post. If I view my post, this is what I've created. This is my title. The ads are automatic. Don't click the ads, please. Let your visitors click the ads. This is your post. If I click continue, this is my second picture, and if I could continue one more time, there was the third picture, but I did not have another next button after it. So that's pretty much it. So now let's go back. Maybe I want to hit visual. I want to do a couple things. Some things I noticed were this one's centered, but the other ones weren't. So I'm going to click this, click center. I also like to click this unlink, so you can't click on the image and go to a page. So that's what we click, this unlink button here. I'm going to do the same to the rest of these. I'm going to center this one. I'm going to unlink it. I'm going to center this one. I'm going to unlink it. I also might want to type some descriptions. So what I'm going to do is put my arrow after this, click enter maybe once, twice, and start typing. This is my description. I want to make this about 3 sentences long for each description. Alright, obviously you want to make a longer description for these, but you know, obviously, so we don't get banned from AdSense, you want to center. Maybe you want to bold it. Maybe you want to show more. Select a color to darker gray, and then maybe I want it italic. Maybe I don't want it bold. Sweet. So this is what I have. This is going to be my first description. I do the same thing for all of them. That's how you're going to get your descriptions. You'll click update again. Let me show you what it looks like, and that's the end of that. Usually a good reference is like 10 to 15 pictures. You want them clicking through as many as possible because these are all going to count for your page views. So if we come back, we refresh our page, this is what we see. This is, whoops. Let's go previous, back. This is my description. Now, what does it look like on mobile? Same thing. Shit, you don't want all that. Working on the design still just a little bit, but same thing. You know, when you get down to here, continue, your description looks like about this. A little bit longer would be ideal. Sweet. So let's talk about the last thing here is post profit stats. For me, you'll be able to get a number. When you plug that number in, you'll be able to see your stats. So let's say I hit 4 to see Julius. This is his stats. Now this is obviously from 1012 to 1012. Page views are a little bit low, except for this one. So what has he made? Total is $12.34. On how many page views? 15. 1,543. So other than that, it's a real easy system. And when you're done, you actually spam this link. So PicFX.next, I'd copy this. Some of you guys are using Bitly. If you want to smash that, let's refresh the page so you don't see this funny ad. Happens when you stretch your page back and forth. Sweet. So yeah, this is the link you grab. You paste that in your Twitter. Do what you do.